Ever found yourself glued to your phone, desperately trying to analyze a chart while on the go, and wondered if there's a better way than squinting at that smaller screen? Or perhaps you're a desktop warrior, surrounded by monitors, but curious about the freedom the mobile app might offer. Well, you're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into a question that many traders ponder: is the TradingView app truly better than its web-based counterpart? Let's be honest, TradingView has become the gold standard for charting and social networking among traders. Its robust features, intuitive interface, and vast community have made it indispensable. But when it comes to choosing between the sleek mobile app and the comprehensive web platform, the answer isn't always black and white. It often boils down to individual needs and trading styles. The web version of TradingView shines when it comes to screen real estate. The ability to spread out multiple charts, indicators, and watch lists across a large monitor is a significant advantage for in-depth analysis. You can effortlessly compare different assets, draw intricate trend lines, and keep a close eye on a multitude of data points simultaneously. The web platform also typically offers the full suite of TradingView's tools and features, ensuring you have access to everything from advanced drawing tools to sophisticated PineScript editors. For those who spend hours conducting detailed technical analysis, the web platform provides an unparalleled level of control and visibility. However, the world doesn't stop when you step away from your desk. This is where the TradingView mobile app steps into the spotlight. Its primary strength lies in its portability and accessibility. Whether you're commuting, waiting in line, or simply prefer to monitor the markets from the comfort of your couch, the app allows you to stay connected. You can quickly check price movements, receive alerts, and even execute trades through integrated brokers, all from the palm of your hand. This agility can be crucial for traders who need to react swiftly to market changes, no matter their location. But let's delve a little deeper. While the app offers core charting functionalities, it might feel slightly constrained compared to the web version. The smaller screen size can make detailed analysis more challenging, and some of the more advanced features or intricate layouts might not translate perfectly to the mobile interface. Navigating multiple indicators or drawing complex patterns can feel less fluid on a touchscreen compared to using a mouse and keyboard. On the flip side, the TradingView app often boasts a more streamlined and intuitive user experience for quick tasks. Checking your watch list, setting up price alerts, or engaging with the social feed can feel faster and more direct on the app. The push notification system ensures you never miss critical market movements, a feature that can be incredibly valuable for active traders. Consider your trading style. Are you a day trader who needs to constantly monitor multiple charts and execute trades rapidly? The web platform's expansive layout might be your preferred battlefield. Or are you a swing trader who primarily focuses on daily or weekly charts and needs the flexibility to check in on your positions while on the move? The app could be your trusty sidekick. Ultimately, the better option isn't a universal truth. Many traders find that the ideal solution involves leveraging both platforms. Using the web version for in-depth analysis and strategy development, and the mobile app for on-the-go monitoring and quick adjustments. The synergy between the two can provide a powerful and flexible trading experience. So, the next time you reach for your phone or sit down at your computer to analyze the markets, consider what you truly need in that moment. Both the TradingView app and the web platform offer compelling advantages, and understanding their individual strengths will allow you to make the most informed decision for your trading journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.